All right, guys, imagine if AI can help you write your emails. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use this particular AI tool to start writing every of your email. Now, the reason why we're making use of AI to write email this time is just so how fast AI is, and this particular AI tool works like a real human. And I tested this out, and you can see the result on my screen. So I basically generated some email from this particular tool, and I went over to this email checker tool to test if this email is going to do so fine, and right you can see the result I got just by making use of AI. So I was able to save time, I was able to save money, and also I was able to get the result I wanted to get for myself without employing anyone to do the work for me. So let's get started. So for you to access this tool, I'm going to be leaving the link down below for your easy access. Once you click on the link, it's going to bring you over to this web page. So what you want to do now is to click on try for free, because basically you can get started on this AI tool without paying a penny. So I've been able to create my account, and you can see what a free new account looks like. And from here, this is where the whole magic is going to happen. So I need you to follow me. And in case you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you find this video helpful already. And if you're already a subscriber, please smash the like button. So right now, what you need to do now is to choose, all right, which of the profile you're going to be using to send your email. So basically this is not going to matter at all. So for me, I'm just going to put in my name because this is the first thing I have to do. And now the next thing you want to do is to impute the receiver. All right, what kind of a person is receiving this mail? What kind of a company is receiving this mail? Are these people new? Are they your previous subscribers? Are they people who have opted out before? You're trying to reach out to them again. You have to just give this AI to every detail that you can think of, so it can help you process and get the right email done for you. So for me, these are basically going to be cold people I generated this morning, and I want to reach out to them. So what I'm going to do or say to this software is, these guys are new potential clients. Okay, let me write that better. Potential clients, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I think I'm mistaken. Let me correct that. All right, good. So these are my new potential clients. So I'm trying to write a mail to my new potential client. So you should also do the same thing. Your mail to a particular person or a particular group of people. And now the next thing you have to do from here is to give this AI to the basic information you're trying to pass across to them. So what are you trying to say to them in your email? Are you trying to get them to come back to you, or maybe you're trying to offer them something new? So for me, I'm just going to put in my own goal for this email, which is going to be FOMO. All right, the fear of missing out on my next tech webinar. All right, so I want to get my new potential client to attend my new tech webinar. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say to you. If you do, please make sure you're smashing the like button, and in case you don't understand, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do well to answer your question. All right, so once I've been able to input this, so you want to make sure you just go ahead and fit in the right key points to help this AI to generate the best email for you. Now the next thing I have to do right now is to choose the particular country or the particular language I'm trying to get my email from. So many of us actually like working with English, but let's say for those of you guys who don't want to use English, you can try out so many other languages provided by this AI too. And you can see this is Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, we have Croatian, Czech, we have English, we have Finnish, we have German, we have Hindi, and basically guys, you have Japanese, you have Korea. So I can actually choose the particular language I want to use for my mail, but I'm going to just go with English because I think that will be much better for me. But you have access to choose the one you want to make use of. Now the length of this email, I don't know if you like lengthy emails or you like shorter emails, but I used to recommend auto. And why I recommend auto is because you're not going to be limiting or constraining the AI too. So I like working of auto and allow the AI to do its work. If this email is supposed to be lengthy, okay, I'm fine with lengthy. And if this email is supposed to be shorter, I'm fine with it being short. So you just have to choose which one is going to work for you fine. So I'm going to work with auto, and the style of my email, all right, I want to sound much more creative here, all right, or maybe inspiring, because I want to tell them that if you're going to be missing this, it might cost you a lot, all right, cost you a lot of information you don't know of, and something that can even help you do well in business. So I'm going to be sounding inspiring, and I want you to choose your style of email. Maybe you like creativity, you like being professional, I wouldn't know, just choose the one that works fine for you. Now the tone of my email is where I'm going to be choosing professional, because as much as I'm trying to be inspiring, I don't want to lose my touch as the professional guy in this email. All right, now the mood is basically going to be something much more, let's say, enthusiastic. All right, so just choose the one that works fine for you. And if you love to add emojis to your email swipes, I really don't recommend adding emojis, but if you want to, there's no problem with that. Me, I don't want to, so I'm going to leave it on none, because I don't want to have emojis here. So once we're done with all of this, guys, you can just go ahead and click on write email with AI, and you're going to be seeing the magic this AI tool is going to be doing. All right, now guys, you see this now. It says that, hi, if you're keeping an eye on what's next in tech, this is your moment to lean in. And you can see we have quite a good, guys, you see this, a good email already written for us by this AI tool. So I don't think you should use ChatGPT for doing that, right? Because there's this AI tool that was built for helping you write your email. So try it out today. All right, now how do you get to validate and see if this email is going to be working just so fine? You do that by actually checking your subject line. If your subject line is broken, it means you're not going to be getting nobody to open it, and if nobody's going to be opening your email, nobody's going to be seeing the content of your email. So how do you write a good subject line? This AI tool is going to also help you do that. So I'm going to go down, okay, go down a little bit, and basically right from the other features of this AI tool, you're going to be finding this one that says create email subject line. I'm going to open this in a new tab. All right, and we are going to go create a new subject line that we can test out to see if we're going to be having a good credit score. So let me go back here. All right, now you can see this is the subject line generator. Okay, and now what you need to do is just paste your email content here. So the basic email content for me here is where I'm actually trying to tell people the fear of missing out on my next tech webinar. I'm going to copy this, I'm going to come here, and I'm going to input that right here. Good. Now you can see the tone. All right, the tone should be something much more professional. All right, and the length. All right, I'm going to leave this as auto. If it is lengthy, no problem. If it is short, you just do your thing for me, and I'm going to click on create subject line. So basically it's going to help you create subject lines that you can test out, and you can try to see which one is going to work fine for you. So we can see we have just 3 subject lines here for us, and look at the first one here is upcoming webinar, secure your spot now. And you can see the strength of this. All right, it is optimal length, concise wording, and proper capitalization. And you can see alternative options from this AI tool is urgent, you should book your place in key webinar. I don't think I like this one. This one here says action required, avoid missing out on webinar. I don't think this one is also something I would like to work with, but if you feel any one of them catches your attention, you can work with them. So I'm going to work with this one that says upcoming webinar, secure your spot now. So I'm going to copy this because I need to check if this will be opened by real humans. And how do I do that? I'm going to be making use of this particular tool by Omnisend. Okay, and this particular AI tool, all right, helps you track and see if your email is going to have a good open rate. So I'm going to put in my my subject line from this AI tool. I'm going to paste it into Omnisend, and I'm going to click on text now, and let's see what happens. Beautiful guys. Do you see what's going to happen to her? So we're going to be having over 90% click rate. I mean, people are basically going to be opening our emails. Do you see how very loving this can be? So AI is here to help you, not to change the way you do things, but if you learn to use AI the right way, you can be getting much more result than you used to just working all by yourself. So you can try out this tool today and follow every of those steps I shared with you, and you're going to be having AI help you do all the stressful work of writing emails. I mean, writing emails can be very, very stressful, right? But if you use AI tool, you give it the right prompt, you use the right precepts, I'm pretty sure you're going to be having a good result for making use of it. And don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you'd like to see more content like this, you can let me know in the comment section which should be my next video, and I'll try as much as possible to make sure I create a video based on that. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, and I'll see you in my next one. Please take care of yourself, and bye. Don't forget the link down below to get access to this AI tool, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.